And so when I went to work for the first company that I went to work for, that was one of the things I asked about. Like, am I going to be working under some licensed professionals when I start my work? Um, and my office that I started working in, I worked for a national based company. I mean, they had offices everywhere, but my office here locally, there wasn't any PEs in the office when I started. There was an individual that got his PE after I'd worked there for about a year. But I actually contacted the PEs in other offices within my organization and let them know as well what my goals were, right? And so, hey, I need you to, be my supervising PE so that I can gain my experience. And so I would actually send my work to a couple of individuals in Kansas City. One was in Kansas City, one was in Phoenix, Arizona, and another one was in Pittsburgh.
Mm.
And so they were within my organization. They weren't in my office, but I was making them familiar with my work so that when I asked them to endorse me on my application for my PE licensure, they didn't have any issues with doing that. So my advice would be if you're going to work for an organization and that's your goal is to get licensed, you identify the individuals within your organization that can be your mentors, right? Your guys that are gonna.
Oh, because they could leave too.
Well, that's true. Yeah, they could
It's
leave
your
too.
info.
Yeah, but you have to identify those individuals and kind of definitely reach out to them and go, hey, this is my goal. I need you to kind of keep an eye on my work so that you can endorse me when I make my application for my license. And so that's what you got to do.